How to see password in eFootball. If you want to see your eFootball password, maybe you've forgotten your eFootball password and you want to see your eFootball password. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply do that. So right here is my eFootball app. Now, in order for you to do this, you can't actually do it right here on your eFootball app. You need to go to your device like this and go to your Gmail. So let's simply go ahead and click on our Gmail like this. Go to your Gmail, go to the Gmail that is linked to your eFootball and click on your profile at the top right corner like this. Then go ahead and click on manage your Google account. So once you do that, you need to scroll at the top and click on security. When you click on security like this, you just need to scroll down gently like this. Go ahead and scroll down and look for where you can see password manager. So when you see that, go ahead and click on manage passwords. So looking here on the screen, you can see eFootball. You just need to go ahead and click on it like this. If yours is not actually showing here, it means that the Gmail you clicked on is not actually the Gmail linked to your eFootball. So you must go to the Gmail linked to your eFootball in order for you to be able to see the eFootball app on yours. Then go ahead and click on the eye icon. Once you tap on the eye icon, you are going to be able to view your password of your eFootball. So this is how simple it is to see your password of your eFootball if you've forgotten your password of your eFootball. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.